Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and fellow participants, today I, Karanveer Kaur of Class 8 from Holy Heart Residency School, stand before you to illuminate the profound teachings of one of the most revered figures of history, Mahatma Gandhi. His philosophy of truth, non-violence and self-discipline has not only shaped the course of India's struggle for independence but has also inspired countless movements for civil rights and freedom across the globe. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." This powerful statement encapsulates his belief in personal responsibility and transformative power of individual action. Gandhi's life was a testament to this principle. He led by example, demonstrating that change begins within ourselves. His commitment to non-violence or ahimsa was not merely a strategy for political resistance but a way of life. During the Salt March in 1930, Gandhi walked over 240 miles to Arabian Sea to protest the British salt tax. Gandhi's teachings also emphasize the importance of truth, enshrined in his principle of satyagraha or the force of truth. Gandhi believed that truth is the foundation of all moral authority. In his own words, an ounce of practice is worth more than tons of preaching. This philosophy was vividly illuminated during the Champaran Satyagraha in 1917, where he stood up for the rights of indigo farmers who were being exploited by British planters. Moreover, Gandhi's teachings extended beyond political activism. They encompassed social reforms as well. He ardently advocated for the upliftment of the marginalized, famously stating, "The true measure of any society can be found in how it treats its most vulnerable members." Gandhiji believed in the power of education and self-reliance, urging the individuals to embrace khadi and promote local industries as a means of economic independence. Gandhiji lived a life of minimalism, often wearing simple homespun clothes as a symbol of dedication to Indian people and their struggles. Gandhiji once said, live your life as if you were to die, learn as if you were to live forever." In conclusion, we can say that Mahatma Gandhi's principles continue to inspire various movements for a change in the world. Let us strive to embody these principles. As Gandhiji said, "In a gentle way you can shake the world." Thank you.